Hey everybody, Alec Conrad here with the Conrad Advantage, your local VA home loan specialist, coming at you today with a different video, and it's a plea to everybody in the industry. Please make your contact information, current contact information, readily available for all of us in the industry. And also, if I can't find you after a Facebook search and a Google search, your clients can't find you. Every time we get a purchase contract, we call the listing agent, introduce ourselves. We do Tuesday morning update calls and milestone calls for every purchase contract. And for this particular contract, and for many of them, the listing agent's information isn't fully filled in. So I go into Google, I go into Facebook first name, last name, realtor. A bunch of profiles show up and I click into a bunch of them. None of them have like a professional headshot. None of them have realtor in the name. None of them have contact information or anything that would make them look like a realtor account. So I go into Google, first name, last name, realtor, and this person's last 4 or 5 brokerages show up as the first 5 hits. And I have no idea who they work for. So I click into all these different profiles. It's a bunch of office numbers. There's no email address. There's no cell phone contact. I eventually, after some really deep diving, call the front desk. That wasn't even the person's cell phone number, and I was able to get what I needed, but boy, that took a lot of work. And so it's a nice tip for everybody out there is that if I can't find your information on Facebook or Google, you might need to spend a little bit of time making it easier for people to contact you. If I can't find it, your clients can't find it, and that's not good for anybody. All right, it's Alec Conrad, your tip of the day. Hope you all have a good day. Thanks. Bye.